Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and monetize on Rumble. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and as without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For you to start uploading and monetizing and earning some money from Rumble there will be three options while creating an account itself. In the free account you can browse, you can upload, you can monetize, and the business strictly the monetization and the publishers allow that for. So either of the option would be perfect for you. So for you, let's say if you have made your account already, here in the section you're signed in as well, and if we go to our tap on our profile icon, we're gonna tap on this option called account overview or states and earnings. Once they are done, so it's gonna show all of the earnings that we could do, and we can actually earn here in this Rumble by advertising the ads itself. You can see uploading original videos. You can actually upload original videos to rumble.com and earn money through their revenue sharing program. So Rumble can actually share you 60% off at the advertising. So once you uploaded a video of a creator, that means that the more views it gets, the more money you will get. Obviously, so you're gonna get the 60% of it for you. You will get all of your money start over here. You can come over here and check at the earnings. So for you, it would be best for you to simply go ahead, give in money for the advertisement. And that will be it, guys. If you've got more questions for any other concerns, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and yes, we will simply be able to help out. And that would be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.